This is our warehouse. What is in front of us is the Genia plastic wrap we sell in China. This door separates the workshop and the workshop. The plastic wrap rolled out of the machine. The plastic wrap is wrapped in plastic paper. This door separates the packaging workshop from the production workshop. Now we are at the production workshop. There are also a lot of Genia plastic wraps here. In front of us are 3 Japanese machines, purchased by our company at great cost. Our warehouse has a large capacity. This is the door for loading and unloading goods. The above is our company's warehouse and workshop. Thank you for watching.